So in today's video, man, the beginner's guide to Forex in 5 minutes. Literally going to be showing you what all you need, right? We're going over three things: trading view, currency strength meter, and how to use Forex factory. I'm going to be going over these things because these are three vital things that you need to be successful in the foreign exchange market. You don't know how to operate trading view, the Forex factory, or the currency strength meter, you will not have success. You will have a hard time learning how to do Forex. And I do advise getting with a mentor, getting with somebody that knows what they're doing. Don't be taking these trade signals and all that, bro. Actually learn how to trade Forex. Get with a platformer. Get with a company that knows what they're doing, right? It's going to teach you all the basics and the things that you need to know. So we're going to get into that into this video. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. So look, like I said, we're going to do this in 5 minutes. So the number one thing you need to know how to do, you can go on Google. I already got it pulled up. Go to tradingview.com, right? You need to know how to use tradingview.com. I'm going to show you how to use TradingView, right? All the basics you need to know, literally everything, how to use it, and just knowing some of the basics. I'm going to teach you it fairly fast, very quick. This is just a beginner's guide really quick, right? So you want to use tradingview.com. So a lot of people, I know you guys follow me. You've been following my channel. You love my content. If you do like this content, what I'm about to drop you today, I want you to hit that like button if you get value from this content or any content that I drop. So first thing you want to do, whatever currency pair you go to the 15-minute time frame, right? On this right side, this is where you'll find all the symbols. These are currency pairs, right? Currency pairs that you're going to trade. You literally hit the plus sign if you want to add something, right? You can go to stocks, futures. You can just click on Forex just to make it super simple if you're new. And you can click on the ones that you like to trade. If you're new, I recommend just sticking with GBP USD. That's what we're going to stay on today. I'm going to show you guys how to use it today, right? So let's go ahead and literally go into it and let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys literally how to do this. So, the market moves in three ways, right? Market moves in an uptrend, a downtrend, and sideways in consolidation. So right now, what we're looking at, this market has been moving in a constant uptrend. I may look a lot of confusing. Let me go ahead and just take this off fairly quickly, just so you guys don't look confusing. Because I know a lot of people trade on a naked chart, right? So this is an uptrend, right? You see how the market's just going up? Yeah, it has its moves when it goes down, but it's continuously going up. Now, you see how the market, it went up here, right? Let me go ahead and draw it. I'm not going to spend too much more time here. I'm going to come back to it. Went up here. Right here, it went sideways. This is called consolidation. Whenever you see the market doing this, right, this type of movement, and not really going up or going in a downward formation, then it's called consolidation. The market's moving sideways, so that was consolidation, right? Anytime the market moves, it's going to move in an impulsive move, which means it may shoot up, go in an uptrend. You'll have some movement, and then the market's going to correct itself. It's going to go into consolidation, and then it's going to go back either in an uptrend, right, or it will reverse and go into a downtrend. That's something fairly quick, some quick nuggets for you guys. Second thing you need to know how to use, forexfactory.com. You need to know how to use these things. All my YouTube people, you need to know how to use this. Bro, if you don't know what you're doing, get with a mentor, get with somebody that knows what they're doing, get with a platform that's going to teach you how to do it. Literally, I have the videos on my page. You can literally click on it. I'll leave it up here. How to make money online in 2021. You can skip through the parts and get to the most important part where it teaches you about the Forex Academy and other academies, right? How you use this, right? So you always want to make sure you're on the correct date. Look at the times. With these times, this is telling you news that's coming out. This is news around the whole world. It's going to tell you what currency pairs are good, what currency pairs are not good. So these are currency pairs. The British pound, anytime you see a yellow folder, it's good to trade. Make sure you pay attention to the times you look at it. It's good to trade when you have a yellow folder. You always want a yellow folder, always. When you see a red folder, do not touch it. When you see a red folder, do not touch that currency pair. It's not tradable. You're going to lose money. Anything that has to do with NZD in the front of it or the end of it, you're going to lose money. Do not trade it. That means big news is about to happen. And anytime you see an orange folder, that means big news is about to happen. But just be cautious, be careful. You can trade it. Just know what you're doing, right? Always want to pay attention to the times, right? And now the next thing, whenever you actually going in trades and live trades, right? This is another thing you can look at. Let's say, right, we trade in the GBP versus USD. So literally how you use this, super simple, super easy, right? Let's do this example, right? Let's say if we were trading the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, right? We see the Canadian dollar is in a very strong momentum, right? So that means we're going to be looking for buys on the Canadian dollar, and the Japanese yen is not stronger than the Canadian dollar. So if the Canadian dollar is stronger than the Japanese yen, you're looking for nothing but buys. If the Japanese yen is super stronger than the Canadian dollar, then we're looking for nothing but sells. Super quick nugget, easy. I just taught you guys how to use the strength currency meter. All right. So for this instance, we're using GBP versus USD. When it's even, that means you can either buy or sell. It can go both ways. You got to be cautious with that. You got to know a strategy, know how to do that, right? So I'll teach you guys something fairly quick, a super easy, quick strategy you can use. I'll show you guys how to find it. You can go to add indicators, type in DeLorean, and you click the first one, DeLorean EMAs, right? Do not click DeLorean Helper or the TDI, none of that, because you don't know how to use any of those. So just click DeLorean EMAs, right? I'm going to turn mine back on so it doesn't look super confusing, right? Like I said, this is an uptrend. Anytime the market moves sideways, it's consolidation. And obviously, if you see the market moving down, I don't really see any examples of that right now. Anytime the market is moving down like this, right? Moving down, this is a downtrend, right? That's something just super simple, fairly easy. Now let's go back and let's look at it. I'm gonna show you guys a quick example of how to be able to trade, right? Let's say if you're trading the GBP versus the USD right now, you can either buy or sell at this time just because the currency pairs are even, right? And let's look at Forex Factory. Let's look at the US dollar. All day, the US dollar has a yellow folder. So that means you can trade anything that ends with USD or anything that begins with USD, right? Let's look at GBP. GBP is yellow all day. We don't see any red folders with it. Anything that has the British pound in it, you can trade it. You can buy it. You can sell it. Doesn't matter, right? Just use the currency strength meter to know whether to buy or sell, right? It helps you what to look for. So now that I know it's even, I can either buy or sell. What I would look for is my strategy. So my strategy is something that's called DeLorean. You ask yourself 4 simple questions, right? And I found one right here, right? I like to use the 15-minute time frame because the 15-minute time frame is super easy, super simple. Now, right here, right? I'm going to box it and I'll go ask myself 4 questions. If it's super simple and super easy for you guys, this is the homework I want you guys to do. This is the homework. Before I even go over that, the 4-step strategy. This homework, for you to get a one-on-one session with me, to learn about trading, learn about all of this, learn about my strategy. I'm not even going to show you guys that today, right? To learn about my strategy and how to use this, right? I'm going to go over a quick example, but I'm not going to go into detail. I need you to mark up homework. Go on forexfactory.com. Anytime you see a yellow folder, tell me what that means. Anytime you see a red folder, tell me what that means. Anytime you see an orange folder, tell me what that means. If you watch this full video, you'll know how to do it, right? And also go to the currency strength meter, right? Tell me what we're looking to do, right? Based off the currency strength meter, based off what I told you in this video. Tell me what we're looking to do. Submit both of those, right? The homework from the Forex Factory and the homework from the currency strength meter, and submit it to my email, right? My email is going to be riches2wealthworldwide@gmail.com. Submit it to my email and put the title of this video, homework, right? Beginner's Guide to Forex, homework. Beginner's Guide to Forex, homework. That is the only way you're going to be able to get access to me to get a one-on-one session, personal mentorship. Ask me whatever questions. I mean, help you with whatever, right? Break down trading, make it super simple, super easy. And I may just have something for you, right? So, and show you how you can get my personal mentorship for super, super, super cheap. Now, let's go ahead and go into it, right? Like I told you, I have a DeLorean strategy that I use. Makes trading super easy. 4 questions to ask myself. These are the 4 questions to ask myself on a daily basis. I don't spend much time in the market. Like right now, I'm in a couple trades. I've been in those trades for about 2 months. I've been holding those trades for 2 months. There's different styles of trading. You can be a swing trader. You can be a intraday trader. At the beginning, I was an intraday trader. I'm becoming more of a swing trader because I don't like to be on the charts. All right, so let's go here. Where is the text? Where's the text button? Bad, y'all. Text button. Let's go, DeLorean. This is the DeLorean buy. Yeah. DeLorean buy. I don't like that it's doing that. Okay, cool. So step 1, what we're looking for is the blue candle bigger than the red. That's step 1. That's what you want to ask yourself. Right here we see that this blue candle is super bigger than the red. In this box square that I have, this blue candle is bigger than the red. Step 2, does this red line cut through? Yes, it does. Step 3, is this aqua line closer to below? Yes, it is. Step 4, do we have space for money? Are there any lines in our way? No. And then, there's a little cheat code, little rule that I taught y'all in a couple videos ago. We wasn't in profit. 1 hour, we were 7 pips in profit. You hold this trade because you're not losing any money. 2 hours, 30 minutes, you about 6 pips in profit. 3 hours, you make 16 pips. 4 hours and 30 minutes, you made 15. And if you would have stayed in this trade longer than that, you would have made a full bag. So let's say, all right, if you're somebody like me and you would have stayed in this trade the full time, all right, you would have took out your smaller profits. We entered right here. Right, we entered right here. And we hit the peak of 27 pips. You made 27 pips in 7 hours. Or you could have made 29 pips in 8 hours. Right? If you would have stayed in this trade for 8 hours, then you could have called the 21 pip move. Right? I probably would have never left my whole position in there. I would have probably left a smaller position and took out the amount of money that we made in that first hour. And that would have been it. Right? But yeah, man, this is super simple, super easy. This is how you use it. Send the homework to my email for the Forex Factory and the currency strength meter. This is just a guide for all beginners, for people that don't know what they're doing in the foreign exchange market. This is what you use. This is super simple. All right. So this is my beginner's guide to Forex in 5 minutes, maybe longer than 5 minutes. But everything I touched on, email it to me at richesthewealth worldwide at gmail.com. And that's pretty much everything I got for you.
One day. Blue screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what to do, Had to go and boss my life up. Turn that one up into 2, They gon' say that I'm the truth, They gon' say that I'm the truth, Not catching plays, I'm catching pills now. They don't know how it feel. I'ma keep it really real. I'ma keep it really real.